Hi, my name is Lizzie Dilg, and I'm the Executive Director of the Mount Pleasant Discovery Museum. The mission of the Mount Pleasant Discovery Museum is to enhance the community by inspiring creativity, learning, and curiosity. Each year, we welcome nearly 50,000 community members into the Mount Pleasant Discovery Museum. We focus on STEM education and hands-on learning, and we're a vital, informal learning institution where we can continue education outside of the classroom.
Hi, I'm Shelley Smith. I am the current board chair of the Mount Pleasant Discovery Museum, and I'm also one of the founding members. From the beginning, we learned that the Community Foundation was a great resource for us in establishing that endowment fund in order for us to achieve long-term sustainability. When you're building a nonprofit, having those income resources are not always guaranteed, and we knew having our money, some of our money anyway, in an endowment fund, that money never gets touched, that the interest could be something that the museum could use in the long term.
The Mount Pleasant Discovery Museum has an impact far beyond our walls. We partner with a lot of organizations in the area to expand our impact. One of the organizations we partner with is the Chippewa Watershed Conservancy, where they come in and help us maintain our wetland area. They provide programming to our summer camps and field trips and our Eco Kids Club, and we provide many hikes and other activities with them throughout the year. Another organization that we partner with is Mid-Michigan Industries. Mid-Michigan Industries helps us out almost every day, where they come in and handle our recycling, they help us do our prop switch and clean our toys, and we also partner with them to do things such as hosting their ADA celebration, where they're able to bring over 100 guests in and access the museum and celebrate what ADA means to them.
Not only do we have an endowment fund at the Mount Pleasant Area Community Foundation, we also apply for competitive grants on a regular cycle and often receive those, which we are very thankful for. To date, we've received 20 plus grants from the Mount Pleasant Area Community Foundation, allowing us to do some amazing things. Projects like our Friendship Field in our backyard, our 3-2-1 blast-off rocket climber, and our coming up soon Mid-Michigan Mechanics exhibit. Thank you so much to our community and the Mount Pleasant Area Community Foundation for all of your support for the Mount Pleasant Discovery Museum.
Thank you for the amazing support that you've given us. Your dollars have allowed our kids to be extremely engaged in the museum and continue to learn every day. The greatest compliment that we can receive is when kids are upset to be leaving because they've had such an amazing time visiting us. Thank you for all the support that you've given to the museum.
We hope you all come in soon to see the impact you've made.